Hello everybody, my name is Michael and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be doing the song Good Good Father by Tomlin. Now this song is a very simple song, it's a song that's sung in every church, and the song is also very simple in terms of what you play on the keyboard. It's in the key of A major, this is A major. And the chords you'll be playing, I'll show them to you now, are the A major, the 1, the 2, it's the B minor, the 4, the D major, E major, and F sharp major. Those are basically all the chords we use in this song. Now the verse is actually very simple. It goes like this: you play the 1, but after the 1 you move to number 4, and then back to 1, and then 2, and then 5. Now in terms of chords, here are the chords you'll be playing. So on the left hand you'll be playing the octaves, the A major, and on the right hand I'm playing the first inversion, but if you wish you can play just the A major up here, so like this. But to play the first inversion, you'll be playing the octave on your left hand, and then you play C sharp, just E, and then A. So that's A major, and then when you move to the 4, it's again, I'm still playing the first inversion on my right hand. It's an octave of D, so D and then D. You can add the 5 if you want, and then on your right hand you'll be playing F sharp, A, and D. And then you go back to the 1 again, and then for the 2, the B minor, you'll be playing the B, the octave of the B, plus the 5, and then play D, F sharp, and B. And the 5, which is the E major, you're playing an octave of E, which is E and E, plus the 5, which is B, in this case. And then on your right hand, you're playing G sharp, B, and E. So that's the E major, the 5. Now just to give you a little bit of context, I'll just sing it as long as well. I've heard 1,000 stories of what they think you're like, but I've heard the tender whisper of love in the dead of night, and you tell me that you're pleased and that I'm never alone. So that's the verse. You played the 1, A major, a number of times, and then you move to the 4th, and then back to the 1, and then to the 2, and then 5. So now the chorus. The chorus is also very simple, where you're using the same chords. There's no new chords in this section of the song. So here how it goes. You play the 4th, and then to the 1, and then the 2, and then the 5. And that's repeated twice. To the 1, then the 2, then the 5. I'll just sing that along to give you a little bit of context. It's you're a good, good father. It's who you are, who you are, who you are. Now I'm loved by you. It's who I am, who I am, who I am. And basically, that's the chorus. Now the only other part that's different is the bridge, where it's only different because there's one addition to the chords of what you'll be playing. And I'll just run that through. It's 4, and then to the new chord, which is the F sharp major, and then to the 2, which we've used before, and then back to the 1. Then get to 4, and 6, and then 5. Now to form the 6, which is the F sharp major, that's the new chord. Again, you'll be playing F sharp major, or octave of that on your left hand, plus the 5. And on your right hand, you'll be playing A, C sharp, and F sharp. So that's the only new chord that's different in the bridge. So I'll just sing all that together, add it together to give you a little bit of context. And it goes, you're perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways to us. One more time to give a bit of context. It's you're perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways. You are perfect in all of your ways to us. And so basically that's the song. It's very simple. You use the same chords, the 1, the 4, the 6, the 5, and 2. Using the same chords over and over. And you're of course free to add some extensions where you add the 7th, and some other chords. And yeah, just experiment. That's all. I mean, I guess playing the piano is all about experimenting, finding new things, new ways to play the piano. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope it was beneficial to you. I hope you learned something. And yeah, watch out for the next one. Hope you have a great day. If you like the video, please like, subscribe for more. If you have any questions, any queries, if you want to email me or anything, you can write a comment down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys. God bless. Bye-bye.